Long ago, farmers saw the seasons come and go. Keep the season off for the new, so spring fest vibes like good times roll. The little new year, a prelude to spring. The kitchen God enjoys the sweet treats we bring. Grab those brooms, let the old house bloom. Step into the light, put the past behind. Brand new vibes, fortune inside, everything's alright. Well, last year's gone, time to prepare. It's a brand new year with a festive flair. Vendor shout as the streets come alive, loves the beat that make us thrive. Mama bought me flowers and a snake-eared toy for good fortune. The granny shopping, sprint in town with treasures await, enjoy abound. With couplets rise, best wishes for all. Paper cuts and glass, lanterns in the hall. Travelers hurry home for a reunion dinner, peace and love. The first day arrives, time to unite. To elders we wish 身体健康, may their health abound. To the kids we say 茁壮成长, grow big and strong. To strangers it's cool and hot, wish positive blessings all around. Temple fair, shine performance and all across the land. Enjoy your nights as all, lion dance, smooth sugar cane and sweet y'all. Flee for all the acrobatic feats as hearts draw near. The lantern glow, homes shimmer, calm and peace and flow. Safe and sound our hopes in the night. Festive spirits, everything's just right.
Cycles from ages gone, cherish the celebrations linger on. Lessons for life, fierce and true. All we have is now, let it pass, renew. Reunion's over, no distance left to run. For China and the world, we are one.
走喽，过年去喽！
Spring festival is here, let the vibes collide. Come on, feel the noise and let the joy ignite. Spring festival is here, let the vibes collide. Come on, feel the noise and let the joy ignite.
This is the Spring Festival.